Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see a one and only Atafa the Press. My wisdom warriors, right now, it is a very sad time in Jamaica right now, because it has come to my attention that 17 people were shot, including babies. It has come to my attention that 17 people were shot, including babies, my wisdom warriors. 8 people out of the 17 were killed in a drive-by shooting in Cherry Tree Lane, Clarendon, Sunday evening, my wisdom warriors. Wanna hear what I want, Wanna hear what I want from what I want? I have a picture of them, but you know, say because of community guidelines, I can't show you it. But if you don't want to see the pictures, you have to join the WhatsApp group. And remember, when you join in the WhatsApp group, text yes to 876-236-9097. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, you know what? This is too much now. This is really too much now. What is really happening in our country? What is really happening? So drive-by shooting, so them just get up, gunman, then just get up and just see the people them out and just drive and just shoot something alright. My wisdom warriors, something is not right about this. Something is not right about this, my wisdom warriors. Me can't believe this. So you tell me, say, gunman just get up so and just do drive-by shooting and shoot up 17 people? Something not right, my wisdom warriors. We have to read between the lines. Something is not right. But if you don't listen me carefully when me talk, you will understand when me say down the line in the video. Alright? Because you know the things that already. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, meanwhile, 3 women and a male child were among the deceased. 3 women and a male child were among the deceased. This is really bad. This not look good for our country, you know. You don't know that. So this not look good for our country. And when these type of crime happen, you don't know say election I go you don't know how it go already. Them I go cancel election. You don't know how it go when all these things happening. What is really going on in our country? We have to ask this question in my wisdom warriors. There is no crime plan. The crime plan are the problem, because we do not have a crime plan. So in a situation we not have a crime plan, my wisdom warriors, this is the big problem, Because guess what now? I don't know if you not follow me. But guess what? These people, after the incident happened, and the accident happened, that is when Andrew Holness decides, say, he might go lock off the ends. So is that a crime plan? When the people them done that already, then you go send out Zozo, you go send out the security forces them out in that area, and then that's it. And really, when time the killing happen, one of the things the people are going to come back again and kill when they already done the damage, it just don't make no sense. You don't have no crime plan. No crime plan. You don't have to put something in place to reduce these things. But you don't have none. I see Andrew Holness come out a blah 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 like him always do, my wisdom warriors. Anytime an incident happen, him come out and send out all these Zozos. To do what? And when he send out these Zozos, more killing happen. So it just don't make no sense to me. I just not understand it. You are going to send out more police in our area where how much people dead. And then on top of that, more people, the security forces, them going at the same community and go kill off more people. And then you say a shout out. I just not get it. I really don't get it, my wisdom warriors. I want to hear where Andrew Holness have to say. Take in this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has condemned a mass shooting in Forepath, Clarendon, that has left 8 people dead and a further 9 nursing gunshot wounds. In a statement just after midnight, Prime Minister Holness said he'll convene a meeting of the National Security Council for 9 a.m. Monday to respond to what he termed a brutal attack. You see, at this point, Andrew Holness, you need to go and link with Mark Golding. You need to go and have a meeting with the opposition leader. Work together. This is what a government should do. This is what a real leader does. Go and have a meeting with Mark Golding and see the way how you can fix things. This is what you need to do. Because every time something happens, you meet with them. You meet with Horace Chang. You meet with Horace Chang. Every time you meet with Horace Chang, and nothing no better, it'll get worse day by day. So that means the Horace Chang for step down. Because he not make it better. He not make it look like crime are reduced. But crime is not reducing. So at this point, take Horace Chang out of it. Me I tell you, take my advice. Take Horace Chang out of it and police commissioner. Because I don't know what him a do. I not even know why him even get that the position, the Kevin Blake or whatever one name. These people now do nothing to help the Jamaican people, my wisdom warriors. Go and link with Mark Golding. Have a meeting with the opposition leader. Have a meeting with the opposition leader and see the way how you can move forward and come up with a crime plan. That is what you're supposed to do. But you go and like say, you have it locked. Brother, you don't have Jamaica locked. Me tell you that. No matter how you put the people them on curfew, no matter how you curfew the ends, the more you curfew the ends, the more people are dead. This to show you guys that phone type of sending out the security forces is not working. And you don't have no crime plan. This is why I say, as a leader, a real leader, who would work with the opposition, go and have a meeting. Call a meeting with the opposition leader. That is what you need to do. Yeah, and make it publicly, but so we can see. Make everything transparent so we can see what is going on. You understand me? That is what you need to do, Andrew Holness. Every time if people them dead, yeah, call meeting, yeah, call meeting. You too worthless, man. You get up every day, call meeting with national security, and there's no changes. You don't have a crime plan. This is why I say meet with Mark Golding. Work together as a team. But you don't want that. And you can't manage the country. You cannot, Andrew Holness. We see that. You use badness, but the badness what you use from the people, it cause a whole of them problem here. Me I tell you that. The badness now work, brother. Drop the badness, Andrew Holness. Be a real leader. Be a real leader. Go and have a meeting. Call a meeting with the opposition leader. Take my advice, and me I tell you. Take my advice. But no, every time, my wisdom warriors, I don't say what go on. Notice, every time something happen, then call meeting. Then call meeting. Then call meeting. Is there any changes? You tell me in the comment section there. Call now, I don't see no changes. I don't see nothing now go on. I don't see nothing now go on. Nothing now happening. So, calling this Deputy Prime Minister, we I get 21 million a year. He's sleeping. He doesn't know one thing. Or maybe you just want to hold on Jamaica and don't want Jamaica move forward. Seriously. Over the years, since you've been in Parliament, you've been in the office, Andrew Holness, and more than 5 times you call Horace Chang, and there's no changes. So why you keep on calling a sleeping man? It doesn't make no sense. This man need to step down and go look after him grandpitney them. This man need to step down. All Delroy Chuck too. No forget him. Him need to step down too. Come on, Jamaica. You need to work together with the opposition leader, Andrew Holness. But I can't work with the opposition leader. Because you have an evil heart. You have an evil heart and the opposition have a good heart. So how that go work? That's our next thing, my wisdom warriors. And Andrew Holness in lie, you know. That's why I say if you call the meeting with opposition, which me I tell us, take me advice, brother. If you call a meeting with the opposition, just make it transparent. Because we know say a liar, we know why you go tell no lie about Mark Golding, because we're not able over here. We're not able because we know not terribly, you know. We know say una number one liar on the top. You understand me? But my wisdom warriors, I just want to say rest in peace to all those persons who died, and my condolence goes out to the family, and for the other people them will get injured, speedy recovery to all of them. This is not a nice thing that is happening in our country. It no look good. And I guarantee that tomorrow morning the JCF them are going to come out and say crime still reduce. I guarantee you one of that. Remember me telling you, they're dangerous. They're dangerous. Them are going to come out tomorrow morning and say crime is reducing. When they not have no crime plan, they not have nothing. Nothing. I remember when Mark Golding stand up and say, he will help them. He will work with them. Yeah, but they don't want to work with Mark Golding. They want to go on like they have Jamaica lock, but they don't have no lock. No, only thing Andrew have like Jamaican taxpayer money. Yeah, that's all him have lock. But nothing else, nothing. That's why I'm telling you all the while, say, we have to get up. You understand? That's why I'm telling you all the time, say, we have to rise up. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about all of this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, when me telling us that St. James turn up last night and not normal, the people them come out, the people them come out and show them supporting my wisdom warriors. This will show us that the people them want a change. When you see the St. James people them come out like this, you should have know say a change the people them really want. Yes, man, and change is coming. Change is coming. All we have to do, Jamaica, we have to come together and unite. And we see changes. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. If you want to reach me on WhatsApp, you can do so by contacting me on 876-236-9097. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.